Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. So AVAX, I just want to highlight that this chart continues to be quite weak. Yeah, I mean, I already indicated in the last few videos that, and generally for a long time I've indicated here the weakness on the chart. Yeah, and even here throughout May I highlighted that, and since then we have been dropping and dropping and dropping. There is just at the moment no bullish sign here on the chart. Can we count it bullish? Yes, we can, but we have a few problems here, and you know, AVAX has not moved above any significant resistance levels. It has come down quite significantly again, and looking at the chart and looking at the fact that it has even moved below this orange area, which was sort of the last chance for it to recover quickly. Yeah, and it just doesn't recover it. It just highlights the weakness in the chart. And so my view is actually continues to be primarily that we will see a lower low. That we could have seen here only the wave 3 down finished, actually, that we are here in a wave 4 still, and the wave 5 down would still be coming. Yeah, so basically could assume that wave 3 down here, that was the wave 3, wave 4 here, or maybe not even finished, and then wave 5 even lower. That is definitely a possibility here. And then of course we cannot count this as a 1-2, 1-2. This would sort of be the bullish count that I talked about in the last video. But we have now come down with this low below the previous one, so this cannot be anymore a 1-2, 1-2. Could it be all of this just a wave 1? Yes, and we have the same situation on other crypto charts. However, other crypto charts don't show the weakness necessarily. I mean, that they show weakness as well. But AVAX, looking at it from a higher level point of view, where AVAX actually is, and that it has dropped down so much, and that there is not really coming much to the upside, and we haven't even moved above the $25 level, which is the 88.7% fib level, just indicates further weakness in the chart. And my primary expectation remains here still a lower low for AVAX. There would be a chance from here now to move higher, but it would first need to move above the 50-day moving average here, like many other cryptos as well, at $23.70, then above the $25.50 level, which is the 88.7% fib level. And even then we need to move higher, yeah, ideally above this wedge, which is at $38, $39. And until then, the downside potential is still very much there. There is not much coming. If you zoom out, what happens here is, at the moment at least, not bullish yet. Yeah, that might change, and we definitely have a chance to count this in bullish way. But I mean, for AVAX, my view is just because there is just nothing coming, and we are just so low that I would definitely want to see AVAX first before considering any kind of bullish scenario here more seriously. We would need to move definitely back into this orange target area, the 88.7% fib level. We broke below it, but this was the area where AVAX with the highest likelihood should have turned around. If it doesn't do it, well, it didn't, then this just indicates a lot of weakness in the chart. So further levels of significance here, you can see this red line on the chart. I had that in the previous video as possible support level. Now we did hold support here, fell a little bit below the previous swing low, which is not a good sign. But what I can tell you, what might emerge here is a head and shoulders pattern that we can currently see on various other crypto charts as well, and this would lead to further downside. Okay, what is worth highlighting here is that if this really is the bearish wave count, then we probably have only just made the wave 1 down, and what could come up here is now the wave 2, possibly with a resistance level at $18.73. And then we would from here be able to come down even stronger. Yeah, this is key support. So if we really lose that $16 level, which is highlighted here in red, $16, then yeah, my view is we could test the previous swing low at $13.70. And if we lose that, probably see here the $12 level. This is, in my opinion, very, very likely. And then we've got the $10 level as psychological support below that. And that is currently my view about AVAX. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.